What's up, everybody? We got a personal box for Chad. He's taking out one of our last 3 Spectra Soccers. 2016, he's going left. Good luck. We'll stick with the white chat for this so it doesn't cut out. Alrighty. I don't have my auto zoom on. Of course not. We'll go without it for this break. Chad doesn't get auto zoom. Sorry, Chad. Boom. Little Christmas tree box. Well, you got a die cut in there somewhere. There's the empty. Okay, I think we got one base parallel underneath, if I remember correctly. And base right here. Alright, El Cid Hisage from Albania. That is magenta. 5 out of 25. That card's got damage on it too, Chad. You can see the chip in the top middle. 5 out of 25. Hisage. 2 base cards are Baka and Jacob. Not gonna try to pronounce it. Did he really almost get you to buy USA Baseball? Oh god. 2 relics back to back here. You've got Marquand Feliani from Belgium and Andrea Pirlo. That's a blue numbered 60 out of 75 Italian legend. Jacob Scrabble name, yep. Alright, Simone Mignolet. Belgium, orange prism. Nice patch. Simone Mignolet. 3 out of 10 for Simon. Simon or Simone. Auto, Matteo Darmian. Autographed, game-used relic. Italy. Italia. There you go. And we have Gökhan Inler. Switzerland is your other auto. And you do have one more auto underneath, too. Event used jersey relic. Oh, we know this guy. Clint Dempsey. Last auto. Autographed jersey. Dempsey sells for like 15-20 bucks, I think, for this card. It is the numbered 134 out of 199. Let me check those other guys just to see if they're short prints. Inler is a little bit of a short print, 160 instead of 199. And Matteo is not a short print, 199. Yeah, not messy. And your last card, you have a purple die cut Edison Cavani from Uruguay. Spectra purple. That one's out of 35. 26 out of 35. Sounds good. I'll get the autofocus fixed so that it can actually look nice.